Good morning, dear students. We, the maths teachers of grade 2, welcome you to today's session. In the previous class, you have learnt about addition and subtraction statement and mental subtraction. Now, in today's session, you will learn about subtraction on a number grid. Dear children, in the last chapter, addition, you have learnt how to add numbers on a number grid. We have seen that a number grid makes it easy to add numbers. Let us now learn to subtract numbers on a number grid. This is the 10 by 10 number grid because it has 10 rows and 10 columns. And we can see numbers from 1 to 100. To subtract numbers on a number grid, children, we should always remember that if you move one step backward, it means you are subtracting one number. If you move 10 steps backwards, it means you are subtracting 10. Let us understand with few examples. Subtract 6 from 30. Here, we start from the bigger number 30 and move left 6 steps from 30. Then we reach 24. Like this. From 30 to 29, 29 to 28, 28 to 27, 27 to 26, 26 to 25, and 25 to 24. Finally, we reached 24. So, 30 minus 6 is equal to 24. Let's take another example. Subtract 7 from 48. Here, we start from the bigger number 48 and move towards left by 7 steps from 48 to reach 41. Like this. From 48 to 47, 47 to 46, 46 to 45, 45 to 44, 44 to 43, 43 to 42, and 42 to 41. Finally, we reach 41. So, 48 minus 7 is equal to 41. Let us understand subtracting tens on a number grid. To subtract 1 10 means 10, 2 tens means 20, or 3 tens means 30 from a number, we start from the bigger number and move backward or towards left. Let's see how to subtract 10, 20 or 30 from a number using number grid. For example, to subtract 10 from 45, we move 10 steps backwards from 45 to reach 35. So, 45 minus 10 is equal to 35. Let's take one more example. To subtract 30 from 50, here we have to move 30 steps backwards from 50 to reach 20. That is, from 50 to 40, 40 to 30, 30 to 20. So, 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. Let's see one more example. To subtract 20 from 36, we have to move 20 steps backwards from 36 to reach the number 16. That is 36 to 26, 26 to 16. So, 36 minus 20 is equal to 16. Let us move on to the next topic, subtracting tens and ones. To subtract a number that lies between two tens, we split the number into tens and ones. We subtract the tens first and then the ones. For example, let us subtract 25 from 48. Here we can split 25 as 20 plus 5. Now, to subtract 20 from 48, we have to move 20 steps backwards, that is from 48 to 38 and from 38 to 28. So, we get 48 minus 20 is equal to 28. Now, from 28 we have to subtract 5. Then we get 23. By moving 5 steps backwards, so 48 minus 25 is equal to 23. Let's move on to the next problem. 66 minus 44. Before subtract 44, we will split the number 44 as 40 plus 4. Means 44 is equal to 40 plus 4. Now we have to subtract 40 from the number 66. So we should move 40 steps backwards from 66. Then we get 26. Now from 26, we have to subtract 4 by moving 4 steps backwards. Then we get 22 as the answer. So, 26 minus 4 is equal to 22. Hence, we can say that if we subtract 44 from 66, we get 22 as the answer. Similarly, we will solve one more problem. Here, we have to subtract the number 29 from 65. So, first we'll split 29 as 20 plus 9. Now, we have to subtract the number 20 from 65 by moving 20 steps backwards. Then we get 45. Now, from that 45, again we have to subtract the number 9 by moving 9 steps backward. Then we reach 36. Means 45 minus 9 is equal to 36. Hence, when we subtract the number 29 from 65, we get 36 as the answer. It's time to check answers of your previous assignment. Let's see today's assignment. Dear students, kindly follow the given example and solve the home assignment problems only in the particular pages of your maths textbook. That's all for today. Thank you.